Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start GK Unit 2 Fascinating Nature. Dogs breeds. The dog is considered man's best friend. It's the first animal domesticated by men. Even now, it is the most favorite pet all over the world. Shown and described below are some common breed of dog. Write their names using the help box. It is a large dog. Its coat is of medium length and its color can be black, tan, or golden. It is a very intelligent dog and excellent for guarding the house. German Shepherd. Number 2. It is a small dog with a smooth coat and wrinkles on its face and forehead. यह है bulldog. This sleek and muscular dog serves as a coach dog or companion. It is white in color with black or reddish brown spots on it. So number 3 is Dalmatian. It is a strong, thickly muscled dog with a short muzzle and a dogged or cut tail. This great watchdog was originally bred for fighting and bull betting. Number 4 is Boxer. It is a large and very powerful dog. Originally, it was bred by English nobles to capture and lock down poachers who were illegally hunting on their large estates. Number 5. It is Bull Mastiff. This dog has a thick water repellent coat with color from tan to deep honey. Its intelligence and even temperament make it an ideal pet. Golden Retriever. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. I hope the children, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Animal Kingdom. How well do you know the animal world to find out? Choose the correct answer. Which of these birds can rotate their neck 270 degree? Who is owl? A hippopotamus can run faster than which of these creatures? Human being. How many compartments does the stomach of a cow have? 4. The substance found in the horn of rhinoceros is also found in hair. What makes bees and mosquitoes create a loud buzzing noise? Beating of wings. What is the Keoladio Ghana National Park in Rajasthan, more popularly known as? Number 6 is Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. Many animals deal with the harshness of winter by becoming dormant or inactive. This long sleep is called. Number 7 is hibernation. Which of these animals is an omnivore? Bear, panther, or deer? So it is bear. Which member of the big cat family has species called the Indian and the Siberian tiger? Which of these is not really a bear? Sun bear. Which of these is not really a bear? Koala bear. Which of these is a cold-blooded animal? Frog. Which of these refers to a layer of fat that helps animals such as walruses, seals, and penguins keep warm? Blubber. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter. Pretty flowers. Look at the pictures and name the flowers. Choose your answers from the help box. So let we start. A member of the lily family, it is the national flower of India, lotus. This is the Chinese national flower. The fruit of the tree is used to make juices, sauces and pickles. ये है plum blossom. These flowers have bright yellow petals surrounding a disc. The seeds of this plant are pressed to produce oil, mustard, sunflower. These small white flowers give off the lovely smell and are commonly used to make perfumes. Number 4, jasmine. These pink violet or lilac flowers are mainly found in the mountains. Rhododendron. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter. Chapter is insect eating plants. Some plants eat insects too and jumble the words to find the names of these carnivorous plants. Pick your answer from the help box given below. This water plant has hollow traps that catch animals such as worms and water fleas. If an insect touches the bricks on its door, the trap opens and sucks the insect in. ये है bladderwort. Number 2. These plants look like a striking cobra. The nectar in the tongue attract the insect. It drops into water at the bottom of the hood and is digested. Cobra plant. 3. The leaves of this plant are covered with a hair-like shiny substance which produces a sticky juice. This sticky juice entraps and traps insect and they are soon digested. So it is sundew. The leaves of this plant have blades. They fold together and enclose the insect. A red sap digests the body. The plant dies after trapping 3 to 4 insect. So ये है Venus flytrap. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now, this chapter is in here. Now, we will let's begin the next chapter. Animals and their habits. You will find animals in almost every place on the earth, from the hottest deserts to the coldest continents. Read about some animals living in different habitats and how they adapt themselves to their habitat. The Texas blind salamander is a rare species that lives in deep and dark caves. Okay, it is a white or pinkish in color with blood red external gills with which it absorbs oxygen. These animals do not have eyes as they have adapted to living in the dark underground. Next is the Western camel lives in Africa and Asia. It has two humps and can go for a long time without walking. Polar bears found in the Arctic region have a thick fur coat and layers of fat beneath the skin that keep them warm. They have wide front paws that help them to swim and hunt seals in the water. Eels are long snake-like fishes that live in major oceans, freshwater lakes and rivers. There are more than 800 species of eels. They live in the tropical seas or deep in the ocean. Everyone, this chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter. Sea animals. Sea animals are the animals that live deep in the seas. We have discovered only a fraction of them. So try to recognize them and match them with their needs. Okay, let me start. Shark. Number one, shark. H. And number two, dolphin. F. Can I write the name? Shark. Dolphin. Now, number three, blue whale. E. Okay. Number four, it is seal. ये है seal. Number five, octopus. Number six, sea anemone. Number seven, seahorse, जिसको हम समुद्री घोड़ा बोलते हैं. And the last one, sea lion. Okay. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter is plant kingdom. Match the following questions to their answer. Count these to till the age of tree. Rings on trunks. Option E. The koala bear feeds on the leaves of this tree. Eucalyptus. This plant folds its leaves when touched. Number 3. Mimosa. The layer formed by the tallest trees and branches in a forest. Canopy. Tiny pores under the surface of leaves. Number 5. Stomata. The Indian scientist who proved that plants respond to stimuli. Jagdish Chandra Bose. Question number 2. Identify these plants and trees with the help of the pictures and help box given. Okay. So let me start. Fir, palm, baobab, 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 neem, banana, banyan, eucalyptus, jacaranda, Jacaranda. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter is animals and their families. Some animals, males, females, and babies have special names. Fill in the table given below using words from the help box. Okay, so let me start. Deer, stag, doe. 2. Dog, dog, bitch, pup. Horse, stallion, stallion, mare. Lion, lion, lioness, cub. Tiger, tiger, tigress. Sheep, ram, ewe, fawn. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter is healthy fruit. Find out the names of the following fruits in the word search. Also write whether each fruit has one seed or many seeds. Write O for one seed, M for many seed. मतलब okay. Apple. Hmm. Apple. Number 2 is mango. Mango. 3 is chiku. This one. Chiku. Okay. Number 4 is strawberry. Strawberry. Number 5 is papaya. Number 6, coconut. Okay. Now, let me start. Apple, many. Chiku, 1. Mango, 1. Okay. Apple, many. Mango, 1. Now, chiku, many. Papaya, many. 3, 4, yeah. Strawberry, number 4. स्ट्रॉबेरी में भी बहुत सारे होते हैं. Papaya, many. And coconut, 1. Okay. So, my dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So, we will meet you the next class. Thank you, everyone.